Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are at the Gardens by the Bay, and first we're gonna see the Flower Dome, second the Cloud Forest, and the third is the Super Tree Grove. Let's go. I'm in Singapore. Have you You can be Miss Philippines if you
I
want.
could speak Philippines.
Like what?
Opo.
She said, "Opo." What else do you know? A Filipino word.
Hindi.
Hindi. Lingkod ta. Where are we? Oh.
Gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight now. Gonna lose myself and I wanna know. Yeah, I wanna know.
Oh, dili na lang
Padong, di, padong, para pa na. Basta
Oh.
panahap.
The night, if I can make it, if I try to drive the
We are at the Sands Expo and Convention Center. The rain is following me. Ako sa pa.
You what you did and let it fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness.
Singapore, Singapore. We are in the Marina Bay shopping area.
You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The central pain is closer than addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why?
You wanna go buy some lubutin?
Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why?
It's raining. So we're just gonna eat first.
Ulan, ulan.
Na the food court. Ooh, nice. Mi dire, ipanggutom na may sige glakaw. So we ordered this one. It's seafood nihon soup. $8, but that's a Singapore dollar. Umuusok pa. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this but video
Funny how
first.
the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Hey guys, it's raining here in Singapore, and we are going to see the dome. And look at this one. We're gonna rent this one to make it faster.
Bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine.
I ordered my Gardens by the Bay ticket online. I had to pick it up here at Red Dot Design Museum. We're heading now to the Gardens by the Bay by this.
Why it is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why it is what it is, what it is. Why it is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why it is what it is, what it is.
Yeah, kaya discover doon ng biking.
Why it is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why it is what it is.
Hi guys!
I'm just here to tell you it is what it is.
I'm in Singapore.
There's no running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it. She left you with no words of reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard,
dome first. Hello, thank you. Welcome to the flower
Hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
So beautiful. What's the name of that one? I'm at the flower dome and it's Christmas.
I know that you know it, you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right.
My goodness. Thank you everyone for making time to comment, liking my videos, and subscribing me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the button. Thank you.